Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Continuous top-K monitoring on document streams. Here is our abstract. In this process, we propose a new algorithm known as UFAE, uncertain filtering and extending algorithm to mine top rank a frequent item set or patterns. Here the admin adds the basic details needed for mining like city details, category details, subcategory details and other location, latitude, longitude. Also uploads the image etc. in order to view. This can be viewed successfully in Google Map. Thus again user enrolls with the basic details. They log in to view the list set in top rank basis, and he or she can also rank the places or rate the places on their category wise. User can view the mine dataset on 3 different patterns like category based search, subcategory based search, and finally location based search actions are performed. These are mainly based on the user rating system. Thus the problem of finding top rank a frequent item set mining from uncertain database, which is different in semantics from the past proposals of top rank a item set, is achieved successfully and exposed through Google Map. Here is the flow of our paper. Here the server login to upload the item sets like category, location basis, city, subcategories, and upload the image of their particular place. User registers with the basic details and then log in to see the mined dataset in 3 different patterns, namely location based view, for example based on a particular location like Madurai, Tirunelveli, Chennai, etc. Then this can also be viewed in category basis. Category basis here determines different types of categories like, for example, in Tirunelveli or Madurai, restaurants or malls, etc. Then subcategories in the category. Subcategories can also be viewed, for example, in restaurant it can be taken as vegetarian, non-vegetarian, etc. So this type of 3 different types of searches is performed in this flow, which can also be viewed further in Google. Here the user gives the rating for this different categories. According to their rating, a top rank view is performed. This can be successfully viewed in Google Map, as well as the user given rating is also viewed in star patterns. Here we have to keep the home page as the start page, and thus we can start our. So this is the main home page of our product. So here we have to initially the admin login to perform to add the location details and other details. So here we have kept in use ID as admin and the password as admin. So now admin here login. So here there are 4 categories, namely adding city. So here are the list of cities already added, Madurai and Tirunelveli. So now here we can type the name of the city, and we have to click this to add city. In order to add category, here already we have added some categories, restaurant and theatre. In order to add category, we have to use this both. In order to add subcategories, for example, for restaurant we can add vegetarian, non-vegetarian. So here are some subcategories. In order to add location details, so we have added some details for first 5 IDs. So now I'm adding here so far in Madurai city. Now I'm going to add. So now we can add a new city. For example, let's take Chennai. So Chennai is added. So for this Chennai, I'm going to add the restaurant details for Chennai. So ID number is 6. So vegetarian restaurant Chennai. So here we can give the details like Adyar Anand. So here we can see the latitude and longitude values for this place. So here we have, so the food quality is good. Here we are giving the map here. So here the details, admin adds the basic details for every city, and this category, subcategory, etc. can be seen successfully. So now these are the works done by admin. So here now we can use the registration process is performed. So initially thus the user registration is performed and user login to view the mined datasets given by the admin. So initially location based search is given. So thus here for Madurai, here the restaurant details are added. Here two non-veg restaurants are given and one vegetarian restaurant is shown. So for each city we can view consequently. So now this is the view for Chennai food. Now I'm going to give rating for Adyar Anand Bhavan. So let's give excellent. So here this is viewed in top. For example, here the Anjapur is already in top place and this is also given excellent. So both are excellent. This can I'll show you. Here already Anchapper rating is given as 100. Excellent rating is given by some other user, that's why it's in the top place. Another E2B is also given excellent by Lata. So this is also taken in the top view. For example, here Arias is given as average by some other user, so it is in the third place. So here we can also view this in map. So Chennai, so here is the restaurant Adyar Anandwal, which can be viewed in Google Maps successfully. So this is the process. So next we can view in category wise. For example, now I'm taking Madurai. In Madurai restaurant I'm taking. So in Madurai restaurant, here are those restaurants. I'm going to give rating for this Annapurna Mithai. I'm giving poor rating. So automatically once it is given poor rating, it is taken to the last one. So this 3 is already given poor rating. So here they didn't give for user rating is not given for KFC. Now for example, now I will give a rating to Anjapur. So let's take Tirunelveli restaurant. Now I'm going to give rating for Anjapur. Now I'm giving below average. So thus automatically Anjapur is taken below average, and this is poor rating is given. So now A2B tops the rating. So based on the user rating and on the rank basis, user can view this successfully. Then again subcategory search is performed. In subcategory search, now we can take any place. Madurai restaurant, vegetarian alone we can view. So for example, we can take non-veg restaurant. So we can give rating above average. Once it is given above average, it comes after A to B. So here we can view our rating. This can also be viewed in map. So here is the Millennium Mall, and Millennium Mall, it is BBQ Nation is located. So this is our process. Now we can go to the homepage. So 3 different categories of searches is performed, and we can view the rating. Based on the rating, it is taken in top rank wise. We can also view our rating. We can give our rating. We can view our result in Google Map. Thank you.